Okay, and today we're making another Bit Friends video. Hope you enjoy.
And look, his little is gonna evolve.
Yeah, and they've got an Abra.
Abra.
They go. Off camera, you know. Yeah, and when I was about if I find Jay, I was gonna go to him and speak to him, and he's trying to battle me. I'm really actually strong.
Yeah. I gave the slow just to help him a bit. I said he could only use it just this stuff if you're leveling a Pokemon. So I'm not gonna let him use it anymore. Let's go.
This is evolving!
Zari's going and doing something, so I guess I'm gonna see this.
Look at my new cat! He's all grown up. Not all.
Oh, you shouldn't.
Brenda!
You shouldn't use don't use Snare.
Oh, I miss it.
Only use it like when your Pokemon are actually as good as this.
Here we go. We're gonna do Route 6.
Not yet. But not this video. Actually, yeah, because this video is only been 2 minutes. So yeah. You do this yourself.
Yeah.
Wait first.
I need to save.
Okay, yeah, save. Then go okay, now heal. Okay, good, you heal.
But sometimes if I'm buying like really hard stuff, you know. No.
Only when your other Pokemon are good enough, like near the same level as Snorunt. So when you're in Incineroar,
Okay, great.
so when you get your Incineroar, then you can use my Snorunt. Okay. When you get your Incineroar, you can use my Snorunt. So not before you get your Incineroar.
Okay. Let me still snore before I even use it.
Okay, so you do that.
Yeah.
It's
Where shall I go?
I'll show you.
Will it up there?
No.
When am I gonna find that Bidoof?
That's before Laguna Lake. After Bumba. So let's go this way.
I see so much times. He was in the what is it called? He's in the.
I'm gonna go like
What's it called? Oh yeah, I forgot the name of it. It's like a Groudon. It's Oh dear. god, I'm gone. What? Oh, okay. I just used teleporting. It failed, but he used a. I don't know the move. He used roll out, but enough.
But you couldn't use teleport pretty much. Because I've actually played and used teleport pretty well to the other way.
Whoa, look at that turret at me. Such a big.
So use how's five, but you're weak against them.
Ember.
You're weak against them, so maybe you want to without messing around. It's really hard without messing around.
I know. My upper is really fun. Who's gonna get wrecked?
Oh, it's super effective. Okay, you won. Yeah, I'm gonna put the marker on. So what you're gonna use? You're gonna use quick attack, double slap, cut, or gust knot. Okay, no. Double. Yes, not gust knot, use gust knot. Oh no, he made you drowsy. He's used.
No.
Sorry, wait, Henny, then I'm not that.
Everybody gets through it. No, go down. Look, I'm turret cap.
Is your favorite Pokemon anything wrong?
Yeah. No, I have two favorite Pokemon. I do know which one's better. The Steven
Oh yeah, the Tim also gave you. Oh.
Yay! I burnt him! Oh yeah, he's a trainer. Forgot that. Electroball, yeah. Yes!
So you're gonna get a thunderstorm and you're gonna get a right.
How do you go?
You buy it. 30,000 $.
That's a lot!
It's worth the go. Take it home. Oh, we got 14. Okay. Now, wait. If you didn't know the talk,
Wait, this is like the red rock place.
this is
Oh my god. What's fighting this?
well,
Will I do this?
Oh, you could have Junior is running out. Not.
I hit myself again!
Yeah. Finally. I just lost it. Wait, I just found out something about the fight team eclipse members in VOLCANO.
Can I heal?
Can't. Not yet. You don't need to heal yet.
Is there a puke pony time? Well, I think I love it.
You don't need to, you only have to pen use some
Oh, that! Oh, come on! Do not pony to kill my penny! I don't know which move it means. I never read words. Okay. I'll put this.
not umber. Not umber. Oh yeah, here's umber. Charge beam. Not
We
rust
know
nuts.
that's charged. So
Rust nuts.
charge been charged. Get to read.
Now let's switch to VOLCANO. Will you scrap? Things I hit now. Yeah. Chocolate really hurts. Yeah, we need to. Oh no, Opera is our last hope. Defeated. Charge beam. Okay, you wanna see? Yeah. Okay, let's try.
Oh, that's why Teddy has his from Sun and Moon. Have you seen that? Have you seen that thing on his forehead?
It's from like Gen 2.
What? Head for the moon. He's gonna heal. How did I
Remember, it's that way. When we go to the volcano, do we end the video? When we go to the volcano?
Battle something in the volcano.
No, when you defeat the team cups members in the volcano.
Yeah. But
Because save it. So do you know what to do now? Okay. So you know it's this way. Here you go. Going here. So remember this way. So you're gonna go this way. Well, guys, got some big money. Yeah.
no. Bruh. My mouse. My mouse. It's still. My mouse is still. Okay. No. Oh yeah, because the piano. Oh, that's gone, right? It's actually really fun. Really fun. Here's a funnel. This one's okay.
Use that one.
It's gonna avoid it. Maybe not. What's the roll do?
Let's see.
No.
Double switches. This basically just makes the Pokemon like switch. That'll be useful
Yeah.
because in gyms, like if it's loading the Pokemon, like you just make it switch.
It's so fun. He's a perfect. If he was like a gilly, Winston.
No, like
Then it made him switch into that.
then you wouldn't use it.
How would I switch into
Then you wouldn't use it. 20 minutes.
What's happening with his body? Have you seen that lightning?
So say bye.